Hi guys, this is our first day to fly the AVATA, and this is one of my favorite spots through here. It's a huge field, lots of trees, and that huge fancy water tower that everyone's seen before in my videos. So it's a little bit windy today, so I'm not sure how the AVATA is going to be. I have seen some people take her up in the wind,
and she seems to perform pretty well. So today we're going to check that out.
The AVATA, guys. First flight. Our very first flight with the AVATA. And I think we're going to try the motion controller. I think we only used it once with the DJI FPV. So we're not that familiar with it. But we're going to try this out here. Okay, that's the power button here. Press once, press and hold. Okay, AVATA's on. Okay, we're in normal mode. And we have picture. So let's start her up. Twice. Okay. She started up. So we'll just do a long press for takeoff. Okay, this is going to be different.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Remember turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air-conditioned blues. Good to use some too. A little bit of sunlight.
Flight, but it's really something to get used to. Gonna put her into normal mode. And we're gonna land it. Hey boys. No. No boys.